equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from the mains. Remove the battery for safety. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Carefully unscrew them and gently lift the panel off. Inside, you'll see the hard drive. It's usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws and slide the hard drive out of its bay. Take a moment to clean any dust inside the laptop for better performance. After that, visually inspect the hard drive for any signs of damage. If you need assistance, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Once you've extracted the hard drive, you're ready for the next steps. Reassemble the laptop by reversing the disassembly process. Make sure everything is secure before powering it back on. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.